A day in the church. So we're done.
Ending.
Ending na. That's the church, St. Mary's Church. And now we're going to the parking. Yeah.
Dadaan tayo sa footbridge.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is the footbridge, and as you can see, it's very traffic.
Para makita siya.
It's very traffic.
Kalayo yung footbridge.
Yan. Let's go, friend. You can do this. Yan. It's been so long. Tagal dati, commute, metro. Ngayon, pinagpala na, may sasakyan na kami.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Kaya sa mga hindi nagsisimba dyan, shout out dyan.
Grabe ka, bro.
Joke lang baka mabash ako, oh my God. So, the traffic.
Make time. Para
Mayroong event sa church. So traffic.
metro.
Oh, that's the metro.
Police.
So here's the new vlogger.
Traffic.
Baba na kami.
Nakakapagod. Footbridge na to. Lang dito siya.
Pin kami, friends. Ganda ng araw, ganda namin, shala. Ha? Sino yung nag-park dun sa tabi ko Dikit na dikit.
Ano ka naman sa harap eh?
Kahit na. Oh, face it. Para hindi sila makuha. A day in the life of an OFW.